Let's take a look at Screencastify. Screencastify is a Chrome extension that allows you to record your screen. To get started with Screencastify, go to the Chrome web store at chrome.google.com/webstore and search for Screencastify. Click Add to Chrome. Once you've loaded Screencastify, you can access this extension like your other extensions when you're inside of Chrome to the right of your address or search bar. The Screencastify icon looks like a little red arrow pointing right. The first time that you use Screencastify, you will have to answer some questions and you'll select Login with Google. Make sure you're logged in with your school account. When you're ready to use Screencastify, select the Screencastify icon extension on your Chrome bar. And when you open it, you'll notice that you have some menu options. You can choose one of three settings. You can choose to record your browser tab. This will only record whatever tab you have open. Even if you go to another tab, it will only record that first tab that you have open. Desktop, which is a great option, will record anything that's going on your screen, even if you leave Chrome. And your last option is for webcam only. So if you only want to use your webcam and record your webcam, you can choose this option. With our desktop option, we can turn on and off our microphone. We can also turn on and off our webcam. With our webcam, you can select which corner your webcam will show up in. And if you select more options, you'll notice that you can turn on a countdown and you can have your drawing tools on. When we're ready to record, click Record. There's a pop-up window that will appear, and this is just giving Chrome permission, giving the extension permission to share your screen. Click Share to get started. Now we've started recording. We have our webcam on in the side. Let's take a look at some of the tools in the lower left of our screen. The first tool allows us to spotlight our cursor or put a circle around our cursor. Our next option allows us to draw on the screen. This is a great option to point out items that are on the screen that you're displaying. To erase those, go to your eraser, click the big square, and it'll erase all your drawings for you. Our video recorder lets us turn off and on our camera. Our final option is just showing how much time has elapsed in our video. With Screencastify, the free version, you get 50 videos a month, and each video can be up to 10 minutes in length. If we need to pause, we can click the pause button and then return back to recording. After we've clicked pause, we can keep recording with our play button, or when we're ready to finish our recording, we can press stop. If we need to start over, there is a start over button. Let's go ahead and select stop. When we're done recording, our recording will load in a new screen here and start playing. We have the option to then download that video, or this is a great option, it automatically puts our video onto Google Drive and we can click copy link to share that video out.